Good morning. Good morning. Good morning! Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. It's been raining a lot, so I haven't been able to test drive the car with all that power. Last night I said screw it, I'm gonna drive it home regardless if it's raining or not, because it's always usually dry in the morning. So I'm at my house, and we're gonna get the first drive on the way to the shop this morning. So now without further ado, let's see what she feels like. Alright, so this thing's like really loud. My neighbors probably hate me, but I kind of waited till at least you know, like 7:45, so I don't, you know, piss them off too much. It's not that bad on the inside though. See, it's not that loud, so I don't know. It's really not that bad. Okay, so this thing still pretty much drives like a regular car. The clutch isn't that bad, honestly. The clutch is pretty good. You know, it's not lazy because it's a 3.2 liter, so it actually feels pretty healthy driving like regular. It's just, you know, it's a little loud, but that's what I wanted. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit more before I get into boost. Plus, I'm gonna run over to the station and get some E85 because I'm almost out, as you can see. But yeah. Alright, so I made it to the gas station. My favorite pump as always. I don't have a GoPro with me, but I'm gonna rig the camera up on the seat. I'm gonna try to rig it up right here to see if I can get some type of video for you guys. So I'll try to put it on there. When you guys see the little blue light on here, y'all know the all-wheel drive is on, just so you can see how much it spins with all this power. Alright, so it kind of almost don't make sense to drive it in two-wheel drive because all it does is spin anyways in 2 or 4. So I'll just go straight to 4-wheel drive because 2-wheel drive is just blowing the tires off. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, y'all can't even see the blue light, but don't worry, the all-wheel drive is on. Sucks because there's so much traffic. All 4 tires. Shit's ridiculous. Well, I'm gonna head somewhere where I can do better pulls because the highway's just too busy. So, oh look, a stoplight. Traffic light, I should say. I'm not gonna launch it, but I'm gonna roll in first, second, and a little bit of third if I can. Okay, so I definitely missed third. That shit crazy! Wish I had a better mount for the camera, but holy shit. Third some sauce. Holy it just changes lanes, it's crazy. Every time I try to do a pull, the camera moves, but like third gear literally just tries to change lanes, first and second in all-wheel drive. It's useful. Not really useless, but damn. I gotta get an outside view for you guys. So I'm gonna head to the shop and maybe I'll get somebody to hold the camera for me on the outside and I do a pull so y'all can see what she does. But this shit is crazy. Okay. So this morning I drove the car to work and I mean it was kind of wild. It had a lot of traffic and stuff. I couldn't really give you like a full hit, but it actually rained earlier today, like around lunchtime, so we can do some hits on the shop street. Yeah, so we're gonna do some hits in the car on the shop street. I'm gonna get somebody a ride real quick so they can record for you guys, so we can finally see what this thing does. It's gonna spin tires, that's all it's gonna do. Let's get to it. First to ride in this 1200 horsepower. You ready?
I guess so.
Yeah, alright.
I hope so.
We're gonna turn the four-wheel drive up right here real quick. Make sure she's live.
Help!
I give it a little 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Oh shit! Nigga, you trying to kill me? This shit ain't safe. This shit is not safe. Yo, this is not safe. Yo, never mind, help!
This that nerve on shit, bro. We're gonna roll into second and see what she does.
Roll into what?
Second. Ready?
Bro. This is not even cool, bro. There's nothing in life that feel like this.
Yo, that's just crazy.
Can you turn it down to like 600 or something? This shit ain't cool.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this shit got me scared in here too, bro.
You? I don't even want to be camera guy. I still let somebody else do this motherfucker.
I'm legit like, yo, this
What
is
the
scary.
fuck, nigga? Ain't nothing to hold on to. That...
One more?
What?
One more. Ready?
How we gonna stop? Yo! Help! Yo, I'm calling OSHA or something, bro. This shit ain't street safe. Yo, how fast? What the fuck, bro? Yo,
it feels like we time warp for real.
Yo,
it feels like we time warp. Go ahead. It literally feels like we time warp, like for real.
bro.
Let's go. We're recording. Yeah, it literally feels like we time warp. You
should do it from outside.
Fuck, bro.
Like, let me leave in front of you.
Oh my god, bro. My motherfucking head hurt. This shit make my head hurt.
My brake hurt.
Bro,
Come on.
this shit not safe.
Come on. Record, I'm at the cul-de-sac. I'm at the cul-de-sac. Record, I'm at the cul-de-sac.
This thing is crazy. Definitely not safe. Definitely not safe. Bro, why did it skip out when you do second like that?
It's just fucking fast.
Yo, that shit.
It just made 1,200. Yeah, it's all 4 wheels. Yeah, she's pretty wild. I've been building this one for a while. She running though. Alright, fellas. Right?
Bro, that shit spin like my RC car.
Alright, I'm done. Bro, that's wild. That is wild.
You think that's just wild?
That's pretty wild. It was worth all the hard work. And here I am beating the hell out of it already. Alright, I'm done. I'm going back. Let's go let it cool. We done. Woo!
Shit feel like a plane, bro.
Bro, you feel it though, right?
It feel like a plane when you go to take off.
Bro, it lifts off the ground and just like... It takes some time to get used to, but as soon as I get used to this bad boy, woo!
I don't want nothing like this. Hell no. I don't think I even want this anymore.
You say,
I'm going home.
1,500 horsepower Subaru, what you think gonna happen?
Spinning, not fucking jumping lanes. This bitch a lane jumped.
Bro, right?
Like it literally hopped out of fucking wherever the fuck we was into a different dimension.